Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel, and in this video we will form the Solana meme tokens portfolio. Let's dive in. Guys, first of all, for new users on this channel, I highly recommend you go and check the previous videos from this playlist because you have to understand this is not a real portfolio. It's just an experiment. So we add 10 tokens, 1K in each token, just in theory, and in some different categories, different sectors, and we will track how that investment, if we could start from scratch, will perform on a distance, by end of May 2025 or by end of, for example, autumn 2025, no matter when the altcoin season will end. Right, but in general, I wait to check the result by end of May. In this video, it's going to be the greatest example for new users, and I'm happy the market crashed. Because why I'm happy? Of course, I'm not happy my real portfolio down, but this example will show you how important to, first of all, diversify your portfolio. Second moment, this is the greatest example, so anything can happen in the market. If we dump, and a few weeks ago we thought it was a bottom and we formed that portfolios and we invest 10K in each portfolio, but take a look after one bottom, and when the influencers shield you buy the dip, after one dip you can find another dip like a gift for you. So take a look, we invested, you remember, on this hypothetical portfolio, DEX tokens, this one portfolio down 50% down. So craziness, right? 45% down. So if you invested, so we invested, let me check, December, right? So after 2 months, basically, we down 45%. Gamify sector, a little bit better. So only 30% down. Real world assets, almost 50% down. AI sector, 43% down. BTC ecosystem, 43 down. Play to earn, 52, and that's it. So 5 tokens was from another video. So guys, this is a great example. So never say never, and after one dip we can find another one. That's why you have to invest wisely, and even with research or without research, better just invest only that money what you can afford to lose, no matter what influencers shield you around. So always do your own research and make your own decision to buy or not. So today it's going to be the Solana Sol meme tokens, Sol meme coins. Got it. Including total. Let's create portfolio. So guys, you have to understand, again, this is not real money. I'm not buying that token in real life. I will add 10 tokens, 1K in each token, and how to find all, for example, meme tokens which exist now on Sol. You can go to ecosystem, crimp to rank, go to Sol ecosystem here, and filter by memes. Here's a 651 meme token. Also, for example, we act like I'm a new user here, and I can't invest in all of that tokens. Also, I try to invest in some tokens what at least I can know or hear something, right? So I'm not invest on this playlist in tokens which on the last page, with 100K liquidity pool, right? So what this one? Mary on the wall on X. I will never invest in this one, or Crypto Bro. I will never invest because it's too risky. Right? It's too risky. We can't invest, blindly and chase every single token because when we don't have enough money to invest in all of them. That's why I choose just 10. But guys, it's not financial advice. You have to do your own research. And also, this is where I choose the meme tokens, so we can close this one. Here, 10 pages. I prepare it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tokens are prepared. And first token, it's a bomb. Yes, at least I understand where I will out of that token if the market go up. Also, in this playlist, we use the 2 indicators. It's only 2 indicators, take profit and the money power. On the weekly time frame, we use for investment. So here, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, money inflow into a bomb. And we dump it almost to almost on the listing price, on the max. So all zones, so if you invested here, you could fix profit on that bounce, right? This one like 140%. Never say never, so we will never drop lower. We can always drop lower, and there's open space, absolutely open space. So I invest just in theory, in BOM. So let's add asset, BOM. BOM 1K, book of meme at this current price, and we come back to that portfolio later. Add transaction, BOM, one token. Also take a look to take profit on the weekly. There is no data. On the daily, technically it's good time to buy, like speculation, because at least we can bounce to take profit 320%. So it's possible. The flash crash, it's a dump on the listing price on the max. Is it possible to see that dump? Of course, guys, it can be like minus 50% from these current prices. Guys, all meme tokens, it's high risky story. So the BOM, first one, but we trade on the firmware value. It's a good one. Myro, you remember, I showed you the zones where we can drop, and we dump it even lower than fulfill of that weekly fair value gap. So we dump it, and now we trade with 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row money inflow into Myro. Take a look the last time when we saw the money inflow on weekly time frame. The Myro pump like 127. So my take is, if we trade, we close the weekly fair value gap. I see the money inflow. I can't know the size of that money inflow, but sooner or later, I guess this token at least go over here, over than 18 cents. So from this current price, it can be like almost 900%. In theory, guys, I can't know. Maybe this token will hit an all-time high. Maybe it's going to be delisted from the exchanges. I can't know in a moment. But I take a risk or not. Also, Myro on the max here. Daily time frame, we trade also on the fundamental value. So technically it's good. Technically it's good. So let's add a Myro. Myro 1K. Got it. Take a look. The when token, another one. In Van, I invested in real life. So yes, and now I'm in tiny losses, right? But I'm waiting the when here and here. But of course, guys, I can be absolutely wrong. This token can be delisted, right? And we can go to zero. So everything possible, but I take my own responsibility for this action, and I invested in Van in real life. Now, if you will decide to invest in Van at this current prices, you will be much better positioned than I. So here, this is money inflow. This is money inflow. Pretty good one. Daily time frame, also trade on the fundamental value. So a lot of tokens dump on the fundamental value, but it doesn't mean we can't drop lower. Of course we can. We can drop lower for sure, but at least by seasonality, by sentiment now around the crypto space, looks like it's okay time to buy the token. So let's add the when token, this one, 1K. Boom. Added. So 3 token added. Next token, it's Moneki. High risky assets, looks so bad. After listing on the max, looks so bad here. 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row money inflow into that one. Take profit, trade under from my value. So yes, almost the same identical story and the same condition like with any other tokens what I shared with you before. Moneki. But guys, pure speculation. 1K into Moneki. Added. Next one, it's Trump. Yes, I think that Trump will pump again. The target can be, yes, around $70 at least. I could invest in this token just by speculation. So here, this is definitely not an end of hype for Trump. We are in the first zone of interest. Got it. Next step where to fix the profit will be $35.81, 33, and the new all-time high. Now the money inflow, money power lay down at the bottom. Everything looks okay. But of course, be careful, guys, with this token and out in the right time. 12 time frame, no data on take profit here. We can drop even lower to retest the buy line again on 4 time frame, 13.35. For the amount value, it's 10. Of course, much better if this token will drop to 7 or 5. But I post the video now, so I can't wait. We act like we invest now, you know. Dog with hats. So here we almost close the weekly full fill. It can be 42 cents. This actual highs, I think we will go and sweep some of that actual highs over than $5, with potential risk to be delisted from any exchanges and drop even to 6 cents or even I don't know, 13 cents. So everything possible, guys. We work with possibility, and it makes sense to do some crazy research, guys. This is meme tokens. There is no research. It's just a hype. There's hype or now no hype. You know, marketing. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row, money inflow into WIF. So I think yes, at least we will bounce. Where we're gonna stop? It's hard to say. Maybe it's a massive fulfill. It's 53 cents. Maybe after that, at least $1.71 and new all-time high. We will see. We'll see. Maybe not. Maybe not. So weekly time frame, no data here. Also trade under from my wallet. So dog with hats. Of course, I chose the main tokens, and like with the less risk than some no-name tokens. Peanut. I don't think so that Binance listed this token and this token will dump and never pump it back. So here's a weekly time frame. So sooner or later, we will bounce to 50% of this order flow. Guys, it's just a matter of time. Now here, so at least it will be 60 cents, maybe a new all-time high. We will see. We will see. So a weekly time frame, no data, take profit. We trade way under from my wallet. All of this time period, the whales accumulate. So let's add the peanut. A lot of tokens now lay down on the bottom. So underrated, just like speculation. Myth, yes, the cat's world. Would be good to see this token at this area, this one, at 0.2022, 0.2018. So all targets relevant, intention accumulation pump model. You could track everything by yourself. Watch the previous videos about this token. So all levels are still relevant by this model. 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, money inflow into that one. Take profits also under from my wallet. So pretty good one for speculation, guys. There is no magic or no fundamental on this tokens. It's just a pure speculation. Silly. So we added 8 tokens and minus $5 now. Bam, in profit. Cool. Silly Dragon. I invested in real life. So for me, I waited the Silly perform at least to 50% of this also downtrend, right? Money inflow on weekly, monthly time frame. I think at least we can pump to 4 cents to 5 cents, but would be good to see the new all-time high. Weekly time frame here, money inflow, 2 weeks in a row, money inflow. Take profits and no data on the weekly, daily time frame, but I guess there will be. Yes, under from my wallet, so underrated token. Pretty good one. So take a look, even to take profit line from this current prices can be like speculation to almost 400%. So let's add the Silly Dragon. 1K. Bam. Add it. And the last one, it's gonna be the Billy. 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, money inflow. This week without money inflow on daily time frame. Yes, the same story, guys. A lot of tokens on Sol ecosystem now on the fair value with the money inflow on weekly. But can we drop lower? Of course, guys, we can. Any single token can be delisted from the exchanges. So I guess this one, 0.2036. Yes, this one is 1K. So this is a Sol portfolio. We're gonna track how this token perform. WIF now in profit. Congrats. Great one. So we come back to this portfolio and to another also this portfolio in May, I guess. So also I will share. So this is going to be the public portfolio. So I will leave the link on the description below, so we can go in any single moment. You can double check how this portfolio perform. So guys, I hope you like this. Also, you can follow this portfolio to track it on the Drops app. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe, change, hit the like button, hit the notification button.